Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. Finding the index used in an SQL query is crucial for understanding how the database engine executes the query and optimizing performance. Here's a step-by-step tutorial on how to do that, including code examples. Step 1. Understanding indexes. Indexes in databases improve the speed of data retrieval operations on a database table at the cost of additional space and slower writes. They are similar to the index in a book, which allows you to find information quickly without scanning the entire book. Step 2. Creating an index. Before you can find out which index is used in a query, you need to have some indexes in your database. Here's how to create an index in SQL. Step 3. Using the query execution plan. Most SQL databases allow you to view the execution plan for a query. The execution plan shows how the database engine will execute the query, including which indexes are used. The method to obtain the execution plan may vary depending on the database system you are using. Below are examples for popular systems like mysql, SQL Server, and postgresql. Example 1, mysql. In mysql, you can use the explain keyword to view the execution plan for a query. This will return a table with information on how the query will be executed, including which index, if any, will be used. Example 2, SQL Server. In SQL Server, you can use the set statistics IO command to view information about the indexes used. After running this, SQL Server will provide information about the logical reads and any indexes that were used. You can also use the execution plan feature in SQL Server Management Studio, SSMS, by clicking on the Include Actual Execution Plan button before running your query. Example 3, PostgreSQL. In PostgreSQL, you can use the explain command similar to mysql. PostgreSQL provides detailed information about the execution plan, including which index was used. Step 4, Analyzing the output. The output of the execution plan will give you insight into which index was used and how the query was executed. Look for keywords like index scan, index seek, or table scan to determine the effectiveness of your indexes. Step 5, Performance tuning. If the execution plan shows a full table scan instead of an index scan, consider the following actions. 1. Create more indexes. If your queries often filter or sort by certain columns, consider creating indexes on those columns. 2. Rebuild or reorganize indexes. Over time, indexes can become fragmented, leading to suboptimal performance. 3. Analyze query structure. Sometimes, rewriting the query can lead to better index usage. Conclusion. Understanding how to find and analyze the indexes used in SQL queries is essential for performance tuning. By using the appropriate commands and analyzing the execution plan, you can ensure your database queries are running efficiently. Always remember to test and monitor the performance of your queries after making changes to indexes or query structures.